The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Happy PPI day. Everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Morning Andrew, morning or afternoon Jay, whichever time it is there. Let's check the markets overnight, shall we? We rose up and then we came down. Looks like our high. Looks like we double topped at 41.68 on ES, now down to 41.45. It's about 23 points of range. NQ did not double top. It topped out at about 12.792. Has come down to 12.679. It's about 115 points in range. Copper up and down. Big range though, 160 ticks. Gold whipped up there for some reason shortly after the open of the Europe session. Remember, it's since been dropping again. Looks like about 11 points of range. Ultra bond. About a point in range. And it's looking to double bottom here and see if it breaks through that support. Crude oil before natural gas. Looks like about 140 ticks of range there, about mid-range, and natural gas toward the top of its range, about 116 ticks. Bitcoin exploded last night, got up to almost 25,000, pulled back a little bit, but doing well. So that's where we sit and stand as we're ready to tackle the markets. PPI report in less than an hour. So we are ready. You're getting downvoted. Huh. How nice. Okay. Rising up here a little bit. We see we've fallen here. This would have been a good entry right here. Actually, since we're below the 100, this would have actually been our entry. Boom. 10 points there. About a 7 stop. Actually, it would have given us a bunch since the top of the hour. This would have been the next one right there. Nice 10 points. And then technically not an entry here, but could have been if I read it right. Looks like a bullish engulfing that didn't mark off. I could have grabbed another 10 points. So this is in the last half hour. Could have got 30 points. Morning, IMAD. How are you doing? Now our ATR is actually right at 5, which is where I decide to go between minis and micros. So I think we're just going to switch right to micros here. We'll see. See where we go. We're all ready for the PPI report. Seems like a lot of reports this week. Scratching my cat's back as we speak. If not, he's going to keep yelling at me. Up to the EMA. Let's see if we drop back down. See if we drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. It's kind of cradling the price action there. Bands are kind of constricting. ES, same thing. And crude oil is falling. I'm Matt. Have you gotten your new laptop yet? Or you were waiting for it to get back into trading. Ah. Well, hopefully it comes for you this weekend. Jay wants to know what laptop you're getting. It's kind of level here at this level. Oh yeah, that made a lot of sense. Level here at this level. So what I'm hoping as well. I still got to do their review. I'm gonna get it done this weekend. Faux showa. Faux showa. Still just hanging here. Not moving. Notice how everything slowed down once I came on. Nice movements before I come on. As soon as I come on, nothing. Although, I guess technically that could have been an entry right there, and you can see it just popped down. So, yeah. Morning, Deb. How are you doing today? Yep, there's a little bounce. Looks like it wants to head up now. Yep, just kind of hanging here. Hanging, hanging, hanging. Tried to pop up there. Looks like it might want to pop up here. Remember, Blue Sky is giving all MightyOx viewers, supporters, 25% off all evals. Morning, John. Can't decide which way it wants to go here. Not real comfortable with taking the short back down right here. Well, you can use NT on the evaluation, but they don't have the agreement in place with NT for you to use it once you're funded. So you got to use something else that allows Rhythmic, Quant Tower, Sierra Charts, Motive Wave, R-Trader. There's like 30 different options, but nothing as good as NinjaTrader. That's what most people feel. There's some people that like those other ones better, but uh, NinjaTrader's the king of the hill. But they should be getting, sometimes hopefully soon they'll be getting the NinjaTrader Tradovate thing. I mean, I prefer, well, I shouldn't say that. Tradovate has a lot of good things to it, and NinjaTrader has a lot of good things too. I really like the ATM function in NinjaTrader, but supposedly once they get NinjaTrader, because NinjaTrader bought out Tradovate last year, about a year ago a year ago this month, I think. So now they're the same company, and supposedly you'll be able to, like, say, enter an order on NinjaTrader and then manage it either on Tradovate or TradingView. Well, I mean, I think for futures, Hassan, I mean, I'm guessing. Seems like NinjaTrader is the most widely used. Whether it's the best, that's obviously debatable. But I mean, I think you're gonna see Tradovate used more often as these integrations occur. But the question is if the use of NT goes down and Tradovate goes up, when are they gonna start charging for Tradovate? Because right now, I mean, NinjaTrader costs $1,000 or whatever for a license, and Tradovate is free. Something's gonna have to break there. Morning, Matt. We're just hanging here on the EMA like wash on the line. Whole bunch of green and red shirts. What horrible wardrobe that is. It's trying to pop up again here. Interesting. Well, in my opinion, I mean, I'm shocked that Ninja wants to be the biggest and best, but I'm shocked that they still don't have a Mac version. I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not a Mac guy, but I have no problems with Mac. But and it just doesn't make sense that you're excluding or making people on Macs do a workaround in order to use their. I mean, their platform and their brokerage really. Think that would have been sexual harassment anyway, Matt. Just kidding. Oh, well, I guess that makes sense. Yep, we're just hanging here at 12,692. I used to be able to code in BASIC. That's better. Well, HTML. I can do HTML. Other than BASIC and HTML, my coding stops there. So we're a little less than 45 minutes away from PPI. We also, it's not only PPI day, but it's also jobless claims day. And U.S. housing starts. 3 red folders at 8:30 Eastern. So that should be fun. Plus U.S. Philly Fed Business Index. All at once. Then, 15 minutes later, we have a Fed speaker. I'm just hoping for another green day. 2 green days in a row. Plus, I finished up $240 yesterday on Apex as well. $742 over the last 2 days on the Blue Sky account. Only 1 loss each day. If you notice, if you look up at the top there in my P&L, I've added a place for wins and losses as well. Be able to track my daily win rate. We did come back down, so this little, you know, each one of the, like when it comes up and comes back down, this could have been an entry. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. So let's say I would have entered there. 5-point stop. It really hasn't gone anywhere. I mean, right here we're giving us 4. A good 80 since I'm still on mini. But it's still trying to push down. Morning, Juan. How's it going? I'm doing all right. Reminder, folks, that Monday is a holiday. Took a holiday. Markets will only be open till 1 p.m. Eastern, 12 Central. Probably be a very slow morning. Will not be streaming that morning. And reminder that if you're doing a prop challenge or on any type of prop account, Sunday evening through Tuesday afternoon is considered all one day, with the exception of Elite Trader Funding, who does break down the days. But for everybody else, it's considered one trading day. So keep that in mind for your daily loss and consistency rules and all that fun stuff. Bill popped up here, trying to push up. Still well below that 100 EMA. Morning, JC. Very tight year before PPI. Bollinger Bands are only 9 points apart. Not getting traction either way. Excuse me 1 second. Returned. Did you miss me in that 16 seconds? I hope so. Oh, there's a move down. The yellow candle. Bearish engulfing. Kind of sideways here, 100%. Let's look. ES, of course, looks just as ugly. Crude's been making nice moves. Copper popping. Copping like it's pop. Popping like it's copper. I don't know. Ultra Bond not awake yet, I'm sure. Actually, Ultra Bond's looking. Sorry, that's a 5-minute chart. That's why. $137.26. Oh, wait. How'd you get stopped out? Am I missing something that seems to be the high of the day? Oh, I gotcha. So one more stop, and you could have made one more tick of whatever I'm trying to say. Professional streamer here. Don't try this at home. Gold trying to rise back up. So on Friday, before the sale ends with Elite Trader funding, I'm going to be picking up a fast track and a 50K as well as a 50K account. Getting the fast track gets you 3 free resets on other accounts. So I'm going to pick up fast track and I'm going to use UB on it. We'll have 10 trading days to try and hit a $6,000 profit target. I charted out UB last night since the beginning of the year on a 5-minute chart. And I'm going to use like 3 contracts at a time. See what we can do. Well, I don't, because I'm gonna be, trading blue sky normally, and so I want something that's not gonna be where, if we take a quick look, since we're not doing, well, it's almost the top of the hour, but like, You know, like I said, I did chart it out. You can see here, blow this up real quick. You know, it gives good moves to the off these engulfing candles. You see here, this would have been, 3 wins and 1 loss for, you know, these wins are 12 ticks each. So then a loss of like 6 ticks using a 2 to 1 or a 1.5 to 1 R. So I mean, yesterday using that, let's say 12 ticks, 12 ticks, 12 ticks, stopped out. Let's say 8 ticks. So 36. What's 36 minus 8? 28. 28 ticks times 3 contracts. Maybe even let one run, try and pick up some more. So that's almost like $3,000. Top of the hour. Not getting any increased momentum here though. Oh, I know you are, Matt. Yeah, I mean, it seems like you can get away with smaller stops and a good risk to reward based on like I said, I went back. We're still not doing anything. It looks like it's trying to push down here, but I didn't get in on this, and it's still, I mean, it's still slow. So let's just look. I didn't mark them all out like with the purples and whites, but you can see here. I think I did. Yeah, you know, I did not look in evenings. I just looked from the time I would normally start the stream to now. You can hear here, like here, you know, that's a win, that's a win, that's a win, that's a loss, that's a win. It seems like it's really good to trade based on what I'm trying to do with these engulfing candles and the EMA breaks. You know, seems like it gives say between 3 and 5 setups a day. You can see here win, 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 and I mean adjusting parameters using ATR. I'm looking again at the ATR to try and figure out what stops and targets should be. And that's going to be a bit of a progress. I mean, I was eyeballing it there. I mean, obviously I wouldn't go for 18 ticks there. I just marked it off. How far did it go? You can see how dipped there, nice up. That's exactly what I'm looking for on little dip plays. And if I kept one on, let it run, it could have been just 16 ticks there just on a runner. So what I plan on doing, I don't know why I'm tripping over my words today, is I mean you will see it on screen. I'm still gonna be trading the blue sky. So, but if a setup comes on UB, it'll be seen on screen. By the way, for those of you that are unaware, I have rescinded my sabbatical. I'm not gonna stop streaming, but I will still be trading it. After after the streams end, whatever, and I'll do a update each day of the 14 days, or if I pass in less days, 10 days, I guess, 10 trading days. Now it works out. Yeah, I'll do a video each day about it. Now it works out nice. What works out nice is I'll be picking it up on the night of the 17th, right? So that's 2 weeks. After that, if I'm close, or even if I'm far away, but haven't blown the account, the last trading day of that 14 days, 10 trading days for that fast track account is non-farm payrolls on the 3rd of March. So if I'm not there, or if I'm just far away, whatever, I can kind of do a last day YOLO on non-farm payroll. So let's look back here in NQ. Now, I said when this popped up, this right here would have been an entry. And you can see here, if I go on 10 and 5 and just grinded this out, I would almost be at target. Oh, I would have hit target. Wow, how about that? That would have been a 10-point win right there. Continue to push down here on Ultra Bond. Morning, Robin. 14 minutes to go until. I'm sorry, 24 minutes. Ugh. 24 minutes until PPI report, unemployment report, all the reports. I thank everyone for joining me today. If you didn't mind hitting that thumbs up button, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I would appreciate it. We've been grinding up new subscribers lately, up to 1270. That market's starting to fall here. Missed the move, but that's okay. We'll come back and look at the Ultra Bond here when its market opens in a few minutes. So yeah, definitely this move here could have got 20 points. Just, I mean, I should have just taken it. Up and back down. That was my play. It gave me a second chance here as well. I'll let JC answer that when he has a chance, but in my opinion, just by looking at it, it looks less jiggly. Like even though it has this, high tick value, 31.25, highest tick value in futures. It's like the stops, you don't need to go really wide with your stops. If it's gonna come for you, it's gonna just come for you, and it you don't. It's not real wicky. I don't think they're like people say there's stop hunts on ES and NQ, and I don't know. I can't say whether that's true or not. Whether it's just natural volatility, but that doesn't seem to happen as much on the Ultra Bond. Hey Daniel, I haven't seen you in a while. How are you doing? Yeah, I won't go full clip, but on that fast track, I'll be allowed 14 contracts. I'll probably start with 3. It is a constantly trailing drawdown. Ooh, big pop back up. 4150 is your target. Oh, okay. The fast track just makes sense because with the buy one get one sale, the way they're doing the fast tracks is they're sending you points that you can either use to get another fast track, or you can use those points to get free resets. And it works out to be 3 free resets, so I can get the 50K account as well. And I'm gonna do a 50K and then have 3 free resets to use on that 50K if I need them. Which means I can be, and because the buy one get one free sale there, I can be overly aggressive on that 50K if I want to be, and have a couple resets to play with. Pushing back down here. Yes, hanging here. Crude oil back above 79. Bitcoin rising back up. Pushing down. Down goes NQ. So, again, this could have been an entry, but I don't like entering short off a green, but that one could have been. I don't know. I don't feel as in tune this morning to the market. I think I need to focus. I may make a change on the stream, guys. I may start the stream 15 minutes later in the mornings at 6:45 instead of 6:30 my time, 7:45 Eastern, to give myself about, because I jump up now. I get up, 6 o'clock my time. I get myself to the computer. I start the pre-stream at 20 minutes after I wake up. I quickly scarf down breakfast to try and get it done before I start the stream. And like I go, it's like chaos. And I think I might try and give myself 15 minutes more to kind of find a calm in my head. Hey, good morning, John. Yeah, it's been kind of choppy this morning before PPI report. Yeah, I thought about that too, Robin. I might do that as well. I'm not sure yet. Got to see how many setups I would miss by starting a half an hour later. But yeah, just trying to find some zen. Keep myself, keep my brain. Problem is, sometimes the noise gets really loud in my brain, and then it starts overwhelming my brain, and my brain tells me I need to run. And it's just that doesn't solve anything. Good morning, Pilar. Nice to see you. Popping up a little bit here after grinding down. We are 15 minutes from PPI. Hey, Rollo. Yep, maybe we'll do that. 8 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. East Central, 6 a.m. Mountain, 5 a.m. Pacific. Pushing down. Pushing down. Pushing down. Continuing downward. Going down, down. Yeah. ES down to 41.40. Oh wait, these are lows of the day, by far. Low of yesterday. When all our troubles seemed so far away. Life seemed like such an easy game to play. It was 41.13, so still far away from that. NQ was 12.524. So still a ways to go. We'll see what PPI does for us. Ooh, big burst there. Continuing to fall. Not afraid of falling, because I can't get off the ground. We're dropping. Ooh, dude just took a dump. Pushing down here. So, market gave me two opportunities. I didn't take either. So now we'll wait till after PPI. We'll sit on our hands till then. Let's see. Crude pulls back. Copper. Wow. Big boost on copper there. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful, as they say. Ultra bond market opens in 1 minute. Gold Trying to come back down. Big drop there. See. And dropping down. Ultra Bond opens a little bit of a move, but not much. So we've grinded down here. I mean, this has been pretty much an all-night move. Pretty much started with London selling off. London price action is falling down. My fair trader. Yes, I'm slightly insane. Switched over. I didn't realize I was muted. Oops. Switched over to MNQ since we're going to get wild after PPI, I'm sure. Reminder, folks, that Elite Trader funding sale, which is an absolutely awesome sale, BOGO, actually works out to be better than that Apex sale that just finished. Ends tomorrow night. Get in on that. ETF is trying to really make a name for themselves. Now they have a swing trader account, which I will admit has issues and they need to make adjustments to it, and hopefully they listen. But a buy one get one sale is pretty awesome, especially since you can hold on to the one you get free. You don't need to start trading it right away. You can start trading it. From what I understand, there's no expiration, so you could start trading it in a year if you wanted to. Basically, you can get two 50K accounts for under 60 bucks. But you don't need to start trading both at once. You can just trade one at once, and if you blow that one, or if you get funded, whatever, then you can start trading the second one. Or you can trade them both at once if you want to. Whichever you want to do. Oh yeah, if anyone's trading crude, reminder that crude um, contract rolled to April, so make sure you've rolled your contracts. Roll your contracts gently to the next month. Uh, for the buy one get one free sale that I was just talking about, Elite Trader funding. So continuing to push down here. We are less than 3 minutes from the PPI. I shouldn't say, I'm just saying PPI, but we actually had 3 different reports coming out, which is probably going to make this response really, really could be very choppy. We have PPI, we have initial jobless claims, we have housing starts. Plus we have Philly Fed business indexed. So a whole bunch of different reports that the algos are going to have to digest. Yum. What'll pop up here right before. We have a little over a minute to go. Hey, Sorum, how's it going? Sounds good, JC. I'm doing pretty good, thank you. Let's get ready to rumble. Whoa. Wow, did that 2 days ago too as PPI popped up right before the report. There, wow, whoosh, whoosh. 70 points down. 660 down to 610, although it hit 685 on that candle right before. Take a quick gander at the numbers as we watch it continue. PPI year over year actual 6%. They forecast was 5.4%. That's a huge miss. Housing starts 1.3. They 1.30. They expected 1.35. It's a miss. Jobless claims 194K. The forecast was 200K. So that was a beat. We're well below the 3rd band. We hit probably about the 5th or 6th band there, but it's still falling, or it's still trying to fall. Now maybe bouncing. Our ATR shot from 3 to 10. So that PPI number came in hotter than the CPI number did. And you can see the drop here. Like I say, yesterday's low for ES 4113. For NQ, yesterday's low was 524. Let's just see if we continue to drop now, or if this bounces. I mean, I think this is going to do a short-term bounce just because it's well deep into the Bollingers here. But I'm certainly not jumping into anything. Crude falling fast. Dow down 86, 88. Look at copper fall. Oh yeah, Ultravon. Totally forgot about the Ultravon. Ultravon didn't like it either. Ultravon down 16 ticks. Down 16 ticks, and what do you get? So now we wait for an opportunity. If you were fast and brave, when that popped up like that right before, that would have been a great indication it wanted to go short. But I'm neither fast nor brave. Welcome everyone that's joined us in the last few minutes. Please feel free to say hello in the chat if you haven't subscribed. Come on and join the herd. Questions and comments in the chat are always welcome. We're a friendly bunch. Most of us don't bite. Good morning, Michael. Here's the bounce. We got down to 605, bounced back up to 628, but coming back down. See where we bounce to. Oops, I'm sorry. Good evening, Michael, not good morning. I apologize. Kind of consolidating now here. Candles have already gotten smaller. So waiting for opportunities. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Still kind of grinding down-ish. Anybody YOLO PPI? Or take anything with PPI? Continuing to grind down. I don't feel comfortable getting in at any of this. We're below 12,600. Check what ES is doing. ES did send me a bearish engulfing there, but though it did pop back, that would have been good. And I am starting to consider doing both ES and NQ, whichever one gives me a better setup that I like. Or even using ES as another indicator just to get an NQ. So this would have popped at 834, which would have been that candle there, and that would have worked. It's something I plan on charting out this weekend. Trades yet this morning. Obviously, could have got in and short at any point in time here and gotten a win, but I don't like just jumping into a trend. That's why I've been looking for these bearish engulfings. They give me confidence to jump in. Like any of those would have worked. But we're just waiting. Let's see what the Ultra Bond's doing. Let's look at it on the 1-minute chart. Nice bounce on Ultra Bond there. Very nice bounce. It got down to 136.06. It's popped up by 10 tick. No, 15. Maybe a bounce here. Had a big wick, small body. Fouled by 3.5 points. Still kind of candles are. Eh. I got 5 micros ready to go for when an opportunity hits. And there's a bearish engulfing. We're just so far extended to the downside, though. Nope, it went away. Well, it's there, but glad I did not take it. Sitting at 12,600. ES 40. We're lows a day. ES hit 41.13 yesterday, so it's 10 points away from there. And NQ hit 524 yesterday. We're at 590 now. $24 points on this hourly candle for ES and 96 for NQ. Trying to send another bearish engulfing. I just don't want to trust it here. I'm just looking at this and it's like everything's screaming that it wants to turn around. So let's see whether I should have. We'll mark this off once this candle closes. Oh, wow. Yeah. I mean, the ATR is 13, so I've been looking for 15 points. see. With a stop of 10. And so far it's gone 8.5. So yeah, this sort of, I mean, it looks like, yeah. Why can't I talk today, guys? Let's see where it goes. Pulling back now. So would have been a good scalp for 8 points, 6 points. Oh, GC drop. Oh yeah, GC drop. Big drop. Wow. So gold definite new low day. Whoosh. It looks like it's trying to come down some more. Great job, Hassan. And see that now, that only went 8 points. And now it's reversing back up. And that was an actual kind of a reversal candle. Scary Pop sounds like a frozen treat for Halloween. By the way, today at 4 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Central, Blue Sky is having a 50K eval giveaway and a live Q&A with Matt Hensley from Tiresias. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's happening over on their Discord. So if you want to try and get a free Blue Sky evaluation, head over there at 4 p.m. Eastern time today. Nice comeback there, Hassan. Cat's bugging me again to get his back rubbed. Kind of just watching here. Consolidating. Not the cat. Yep, that's a good point, Hassan. And yes, One Up got rid of their daily loss limits. I am now a One Up affiliate, so if anyone signs up for One Up, please use my link. Oh, look at this. Look at that. This would not have stopped me out when it came up a little bit if I had taken this trade, and now it's almost at the profit target. Well, gosh darn it. So I should not have doubted the bearish engulfing. Heck, that first bearish engulfing, well, looks like the first bearish engulfing might not have been as good. How much did that pop up? 93 to, yeah, it depends on the stop. Yeah, gold heading back down. I think you should all sell your gold jewelry. I think it's going to bottom. Going to be worth nothing. Kidding, of course. Live streamer sends run on gold. We're about 45 minutes to the bell. So we're hanging here at 12,558. Not far from yesterday's low. 524. ES. Oh, ES just blew through yesterday's low. Down to 411. So let's go back to Tuesday's low, which was 4103. Something to watch. Good morning, Ace. By the way, guys, this is why I don't believe in overbought and oversold in RSI. We've been oversold theoretically on RSI since 7/16, 8/16 Eastern, which was here, which is 120 points ago. That's why I don't believe in overbought and oversold. If I had bought there, I would be blowing all the accounts. Possibly finding a bottom here, though. 533. Oh, I like my indicators for my strategy. It's pretty simple. Yeah, I mean everybody has their own thing, you know. Some people hate yeah. Oh yeah, I know, Pilar. I did take offense to anything you said. I Yeah, it's cool that with trading there's probably dozens of different ways of being a profitable trader, maybe hundreds. I mean I don't know. Everyone can find their own little thing that works for them. Yep, we are continuing to head down, a little bump there, but boom. Yep, struggling to get through 533. Yes. Got down to 4106, so it's 3 points off of Tuesday's low. Crude's bouncing up here about 10 minutes before the energies markets open. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond, oh, that was a beautiful entry right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Bullish engulfing there. Bullish. Don't take bullish and go, and it went away anyway, but I don't take them if we're this far below the EMAs usually. Morning, Speed Racer. How was the basketball game? Yeah, I can imagine they're pretty pricey. Still no trades yet. Nothing I've been comfortable with taking. So for those that were wondering, I have decided to not take a hiatus, a sabbatical, or whatever you want to call it, from streaming. We'll continue to stream. We'll probably push the start of the stream back by 15 to 30 minutes, though. Instead of starting at 7:30 Eastern, we'll probably start either at 7:45 or 8 Eastern. We won't be streaming Monday for the holiday, but for now we will continue to stream. I appreciate that, Ace. You know, the way I put it yesterday, first of all, I don't want anyone to think like I'm attention seeking when I was talking about leaving, because I know I've talked about stopping a couple other times in the past, or wanting people to beg me to stay or anything like that. It's like, I'm an extreme introvert, and I also deal with bouts of depression. And sometimes when the noise of life starts getting really loud, my brain tells me that I need to shut down, shut everyone out, and run. And it's how I've often handled stuff in the past. Instead of facing the challenge, I withdraw from it. I isolate, and that just causes a vicious cycle because I never get mentally tougher. And if I always do what I've always done, I'm always going to get just what I've always got. Yeah, it's starting about, you're starting probably half an hour later. That way I can, easy for me to say. Yeah, right now. I get up in the morning and 6 o'clock my time, and I start the stream at 6:20. I'm there rushing to try and get breakfast eaten quick, and it's like this chaos. And I think I need a little time to just kind of center and get my brain calmer and more peaceful, and ready to, you know, just in a better place. 68.75. 60. Let's see. 60. There we go. All right. Good luck on that, JC. Slight grind up here on NQ. Nice little bullish engulfing there on ES. And I know you do, Ace, and I appreciate that. And I thank you for that. I I still feel like I'm close to breaking out with this whole trading thing. And I just need to keep myself in a positive mind frame. What's your target, JC? I see it's going up. All right. Slow grind up here. 30 seconds to the top of the hour. There's the top of the hour. Move down. Let's see what crude's doing. Well, there's a nice little bounce on crude. But now I'm just not sure what it wants to do yet. Hang in here. About 12,550. Less than 30 minutes to the bell. Still no trades for me. There are a couple opportunities that I missed, but so far really haven't liked the setups. into these bands, bouncing off of them. Yawning. We're watching this. Crude. Nice move there. That'd been a great bullish engulfing there. Little dip there when the market opened, but then zoom. And it's just zooming. Zoom, 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 zoom. Ultra bond. Whoosh. Gold. Did bounce finally? See the way it's grinding back up that band. Think it might be reversing finally, but remember, me and reversals don't get along, so. It's kind of hanging right on that band. That is hugging it tight. Really in its personal space. Small, our ATR's gotten below 10. Very, very just all of a sudden slow. See a bearish engulfing there in ES. Hey Sid, hey, I sent you a message on Messenger about what we talked about yesterday. Avi, good morning, morning. Hey Sid, why did you remove your message? Sid took his wish. Everyone, good luck back. So it looks like are we gonna be boring to the bell? Boring to the bell. Have a great day as well, Sid. If you didn't hear me, I sent you a message on Messenger. That's a bullish engulfing, but I don't know. This is just kind of weird price action right now. Fed speaker was speaking. I totally forgot about the Fed speaker. He says Fed rates must rise above 5% and remain there for an extended period of time. Fed actions will slow growth and increase unemployment. At the most recent FOMC meeting, there was a compelling case for a 50 basis point increase. That explains why the market's continuing to drop. Although, I mean, it's kind of leveled out here, but this candle here is where he started talking. And you can see from there, 587 down to 551. He caused about 35 points of drop. Still trying to move down. Our low got down to 533. Yesterday's low was 524. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? All right. Oh yeah. See that coming back up there? Nice. Doing all right. Missed you yesterday, RJ. Pushing down further here. I'm not taking any shorts. First of all, it's not nice to take people's shorts. And second of all, we're way. I agree with RJ that, I mean, I think it's a risk at this point to continue to guess to go that we're going to go further down. For those that missed it, that just came in, I am decided not to stop streaming. I'm not going to go on a hiatus. I'm not going to go on a sabbatical or whatever term you wanted to use. I will continue to be doing content creation. uh, oh wait, you're in Canada, RJ. Did you meet with CFT? Wow, still moving down. That's a new low of yesterday. We have just broke yesterday's lows. And I mean, it gave me two bearish engulfing candles where I could have jumped on that, but I just didn't because I didn't feel comfortable on this continued short. Yeah, sure figured that's what you're up to, RJ. Guarantee you that one wasn't named Seth. There's still no trades on the day. There's no way I was going to trust either of those being that far into the band, being this low. It just, market's just dying. Good morning, Burl. Give me a second. I'm going to answer a question on Learn to Trade. Okay. So it got down to 518. Burl. Yeah, yesterday on the Discord, or last night, Burl admitted to, what was that? How did he put that? That I love to play on words. Hold on, I gotta look. I did it. Oh yeah, he had said he had some makeup journaling to do, and I said I didn't know you wore makeup. Surprisingly, Robin didn't call me lame. So we are just 8.5 minutes until the bell. Market's going to zero. ES got down to 41.05. It stayed above Tuesday's high. I mean low, sorry. Tuesday's low. You used to love a rising market, Burl. Let's take a gander if there's any news tomorrow, Hassan. Tomorrow we have U.S. import prices, Canadian RMPI month over month, Canadian PPI, U.S. export prices, and we have a whole host of Fed speakers. Fed's Barkin speaks at 8:30, and Fed's Bowman speaks at 8:45. Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you tomorrow. Still no trades for me today, but we got an hour and a half left on the stream to hopefully find something. You notice up in the top right-hand corner, where normally it just says today's P&L and the amount, I've added a spot for the wins and the losses, so you'll be able to see what my percentage is each day. So far today, it's 0-0. Last 2 days, I've only lost one trade each day. Coming next week, we'll be doing the Elite Trader Funding Fast Track Challenge. You should all get an Elite Trader Funding Fast Track account. Do it with me. Close to Apex, in my opinion. ETF, basically the same kind of payout structure. ETF has end-of-day options on some of their accounts. Now the fast track is intraday, just like Apex is. Um, ETF now has a swing account, and their sale right now is actually better than, in my opinion, than that recent Apex sale because you're getting 65% off plus buy one get one free. Now Apex is better in the fact that you get 25,000 at 100% on each account. ETF you get your first 100% of 12,500, but it's all your accounts combined. You can have 20 accounts just like Apex, etc. And ETF has Tradovate if that's something you like. Apex will eventually have Tradovate sometime soon, but doesn't yet. But if I had to list my top 5 prop firms now, in no particular order, it would be Blue Sky, Earn to Trade, Apex, Elite Trader Funding, and Top Step. Nothing against most of the others, I just haven't used them. But each one has a couple of issues that bother me. The only two that I I don't recommend are Take Profit Trader and Tick Tick Trader. But Take Profit, I don't know. I don't have anything particular against them, but I've heard some rumblings about the past of one of its founders. Said I got to do more research before I start rumors. Still pushing down here with just a little over a minute to the bell. Again, that could have been an entry. Every touch of that EMA looks like an entry. Every touch. Ah, man. Sorry to hear that, JC. Yep, touched that EMA and started coming back down. So where will we go from here? The bell is in a little over 30 seconds. How do you like the bell? That wasn't even a good parody. Ding, 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 ding. Ring a ding dong. Push up a little bit here. Start. That's 20. Not an explosive open yet. Has gone about 22 points up. ES popped up by 5. Morning, Glitch. Did think about taking that long there. Decided against it just because, we are still below that 100. It pop up for about 11, but you see it's quickly pushing back. Indecisive. Up, down, left, right. Candles are running band to EMA. I don't like that. Do not like that at all. Mind you, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I'd appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. It helps the algorithm find me and tell people that you like me, and it tells other people that you like me, and then other people come and check out the channel. Good morning, CBR. How you been doing? It's kind of struggling here. Looks like it wants to come up, but just not feeling it so far. Trying to push back down. Bouncy. Not staying below that EMA, but keeps trying to tempt. There we go. Now it's pushing down a bit more. Nope. Not staying there, though. Taking the short. Looks like there might have been a mistake. Maybe not. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Push, 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 push. There we go. Stops, move to break even. Jumpy here. There we go. Come on, come on. Almost, almost. Target is 12.5, 15.50. Target hit. 4 out, 1 trailing. Still going. Still going. Out. Boom, yeah. That's a winner. Let's look at the numbers. $153 winner. Take away $5 for commission. So $148 winner there. Booyah. We were in at 12, 530, 25. Out at 12, 5, 15, 50. The other one was out at, I can't see. We trailed it and got a little bit more out of it. So there we go. Thank you, Glitch. Thank you, IMAD. So, got out there at 515. It dropped down to 496. So obviously could have got more, but you know, right now we're just worried about 15, especially since we have a constantly trailing drawdown. And now big boom back up. Look at that. 25 points on this candle. Look at what the Ultravon's doing down there. Ultravon gave us a nice little bearish engulfing there and could have got 26 down to 21. That's not... The Ultravon's moving kind of slow. It's kind of sluggish. Sluggish. And bouncing. Look at that. Right back up to that EMA on NQ. Rising back up. That's tempting to take, but I'm not going to. We'll see what it does. So why did I take that trade? We came up here, kind of started playing in the bands. We turned red, and then we broke back down under that 20 EMA. We were still below the 100 EMA. So I felt confident to take that move down. And we got 15 points out of it. can see here, it is rising, continuing to rise up. This might have been a good long to take. Bounce longs with a bullish engulfing often do work, but maybe not. But it went 10. Didn't go 15. We'll see what it does. Obviously, we did not take it, so it just coulda, woulda, shoulda. Yep, so far would not have given me the 15 I was looking for. Good morning, Laughter. Nice to see you. Another pullback. Strong candle back down, 24 points. Ooh, interesting bounce there. Tries to rise back up. I'm going to regret this. I think I had my finger on the buy. Maybe I'm not going to regret it. I had my finger on the long button there, but decided against it. Looks like that might have been. We'll see. I like this bounce. Yep. Did not reach 15. Would have reached 10. ATR is at 18. Yep, that would have stopped out. So would not have reached 15. Would have reached 10. So it actually would have moved my stop to break even. So I would have been out sooner than that. I wouldn't have taken a loss, but I would have lost commission. So it did dip, come back up. What's ES doing there? Ooh, ES kind of looks ugly. Maybe it's just a perspective. Yeah, ES is looking kind of ugly. I guess I mean, no worse than NQ, I guess. ES would have given us that same kind of move there. I took that short one. And now they're trying to bounce again. Just kind of dancing on the CMA. Another rise up. Struggling to get above this area. 67, 67, 64, 64. Just hit 63. Got itchy eyes today. Not sure what that's about. I got itchy eyes. One look at you and I can't deny. Oh, there's a little break, but immediately got burst back down. Got up to 573 there. Yeah, there we go. Now it's starting to establish some dominance. Very true, Laughter. Very true. Pushing up. So that one would have stopped me out, but this one, any of these others, getting back on the horse would have been. Wait, let's move this. Okay, would have been a winner. A winner. Now you see, it's kind of right below that 100 EMA. See if it consolidates below it. See if it can break through. Break on through to the other side. What's ES doing here? ES bullish engulfing there. That would have been a nice one. Gold chart looks kind of ugly. Crude continuing to move up. UB continues to grind down to 135.19. touched the EMA and then bounced. So been a good play. Kind of got distracted there for a sec. Sorry about that. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Returned. And it's trying to get back above the 100 here. This would have been a good play right here. We can see we move our sticks. Sticks and stones. Boom, that would have won it. It earned its purple. Now it's trying to get back, it's trying to get above the 100 here. Trying to see, it needs to be a good break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that. Candle bar? Yeah, it doesn't really work. That one did not earn its purple. You can see how fast this goes. This was, with all within 10 minutes, there was 3 opportunities. 2 wins and a loss. I didn't take any of them. There's a strong move up. Above the 100. 584. 30 seconds on this candle. Ah. Took the long there. I think it was a mistake. Pulling back. That candle was too good. Yeah, we're back under the 100. Let's see if it breaks. It's because, wow, came really close to stopping me out and whipped back up. Come on, Bulls. 5 seconds on this candle, coming back down for me. Yeah, come on, green, 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 green. Whippy here. 83 is my entry. The 100's sitting at. Nope, stopped out. Took the loss there. Gave back most of my profit. $16 profit now. I gotta study those breaks to the 100. I don't think they're as good as I thought they were. I think I should wait. I think I should just possibly do engulfing candles. It's gonna try and pop back up now. And see, there's an engulfing candle and trying to break the 100. Do I go back in? We'll see. I got some time there. Let's see what ES is doing there. Interesting. ES is actually below. Oh, now it's popping back up above its 20. Bullish engulfings on both. Well, was it? Nope, giving back now. So nope, we'll wait. All right, JC. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. So we're hanging around here. They're hanging around this 100. Top of the hour coming up. We have a Fed speaker coming up in 3 minutes. And if any one of you trade natural gas inventories come up in a little half an hour. And back to rising up, so choppiness here around the 100 EMA. And we're popping down. So rejection there. Coming down to the 20 EMA. We're sandwiched between the 20 and the 100. I like mustard on my EMA sandwiches. Yeah, natural gas should be dropping. Yeah, the retail prices should be dropping based on what natural gas has done. I mean, this is the natural gas daily chart. Lots of lines. Ignore those. But I mean, this area here, right before these lines, was back in August, and it was above 10, and now it's barely hanging on to 2.5. There's no reason retail prices shouldn't be coming down, in my opinion. I got notice that my power bill will be dropping. I use a level pay, budget pay, whatever, and it was up to $500 a month for gas and electric. It's dropping by $120 a month down to about $380. This is a short setup. But immediately right back up. It's rejecting. Going short. Come on, push for me. Push, push. Back to my entry. Push. Bounce on the new candle. Come on. There we go. There we go. Nope, bounce it on me. Now, come on, come on. 33 is my target. Out. Crap. So I got 4 points off of that. Not a lot, but it bounced on the band, unfortunately, there. Nice move back up. Did get a win, though. We're up to 53.50 now on the day. Tried to get the full amount there, did not. Yeah, looks like he wants to come back down. Now, here's maybe where a trailing stop hurt me. I was in at 48, so I had to get back up to 60. Okay, there it would have stopped me. Okay, so there, a trailing stop did not hurt me. Hesitating hurt me. I got it. If I had gotten in right off of this, actually, it might have stopped me out. It went 12.5 first, so never mind. Yep, John. That's been the problem I was having, and I'm trying to eliminate. And when I try to guess reversals, I totally blow it. I have to go with trends. Now it can be a short-term trend. Like even though we were coming down, this started establishing a trend up. So I could play those bounces. But overall, I'm I'm going with whichever way the EMA is flowing. Part of me wants to go long there if that establishes, but yeah. So still have an hour to go. If my P&L stays where it's at now, then over the last 3 days, I'll be up about 800 bucks. Kind of hemming and hawing around 12,560. Sneeze. I feel like there's a sneeze stuck in my nose. Crude falling. NQ trying to push up. Ultra Bond's still falling. And a nice little move down. Let's see what the 5 looks like. Yeah, just one direction all day long there on the 5. Thank you, Lafty. Yeah, much better week this week than last week. Well, there's a strong move up. Yeah, again, it struggled in the 60. I'm sorry, not 591, 589, 587, that area, which is exactly where we're at now. Yeah, we broke the 100 there again, and it's trying to rise up. Staying above the 100 now. Yep, that's been, me as well, John. Not hesitating on trades that were in my plan. A couple of these, look right here, these three lines here, those were all potential trades in my plan. So, stopped out on one and then two winners would have been, plus 15 minus 30, 30 minus 12, 18 points. And a nice win. Now we're hanging here again on this 100 EMA. Let's see if it can stay above. You can see the candles are kind of weak. Big wicks to the upside. Up now there's a bullish engulfing. Comes right back down. Yeah, we're long. See if we can get back profit right here. Not looking good. There we go. Come on. Come on. Nope. Ah, there we go. Come on. There we go. Boom. Target hit. There we go. See there, I hesitated to take that bullish engulfing, and I'm certainly glad I did. In it. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't show my chart, guys. Hold on. I apologize. So you didn't see my boom, but I got my boom. You can see there I entered at 579, and we were out at 12,594. 15 points. That's a winner. We are now up. We are now up 197 on the day. Three wins, one loss. Continuing to go up. You see, I could have got back in there on that second in bullish engulfing. And if I had, it would have given me another 15 points. But I have trouble doing back-to-back trades like that, so I'm not upset by that. How's everyone else doing out there? How's the P&Ls looking? Put one back. Oh, big pullback. 22 points there. Bounces off the 100. Back up. It's awesome. Playa. I have a little bit of Bitcoin that I've been watching go up. A little bit of Dogecoin. Oh yeah, I do see a quick rise up there in Ultra Bond all of a sudden. Might have finally found the bottom. Technically a trigger candle here on NQ. Went through both the 20 and the 100. That would be Black Beauty Machine, I believe. Yeah, I liked her. Oh, bearish, I mean, bullish engulfing back up. To take or not to take? That is the question. So far, the answer is not to take. Pulls back. Rise up. Did not take the trade. We'll see if it bites me. Well, not can't really bite me that I didn't take the trade, but we'll mark it off here. Nice. How's that eval going? Crypto or playa? Forget the reason why I like you stop in because I can say playa without sounding weird. Yep, market really did sell off. This is our hourly candle. You can see that big hourly big candles there on PPI, bouncing a little bit here. Market seems to be slowing down just a tad. We head toward 10:30. Grinding though, grinding. Look at that. Watches have been also a winner. By the way, the blue sky. Oh, and that would have hit target. So there we go. It earned its purple. The blue sky account had dipped to I had been over $1,000 in the hole at one point, and now it's back above the starting point. Excellent, Hassan. Yeah, cushions are always good. It would suck to take out and then blow the account because you took out. So that was a perfect setup for me, and I just didn't take it, and I'm mad at myself on that one. We see it rising up back above 12,600. Not sure why I hesitated on that one. Continuing its rise up here now. See here, it's gotten back a lot of what it lost earlier. This is where the PPI was. Our high before PPI there at 685, and then it just dumped. You can see we've been coming down most of the day. It's trying to rise back up. It got knocked down, but it gets up again. Ah. Still looking for setups glitch. Remember, folks, to hit that live button just in case you've gotten a little behind on the stream. Every now and then there's a little bit of a blip. We use super low latency on the stream. And that can cause a little bit more of a lag at times if there's any type of com crap stuff. One more trade. I know that there are trades. Hold on for one more trade. Sorry. What, over a half an hour to go in our stream this morning? Excellent, RJ. Glad to hear that. Oop. Might have hit a top here. 619. Pulling back. Bitcoin rising up. ES pulling back here as well. Both ES and NQ sending those bearish engulfings, but I don't. We'll see what it does. We shall see what we shall see. I see, said the blind man as he picked up his hammer and saw. You can all tell me to stop babbling. Great job, Pilar. Glad to hear that. Hope you have a great rest of your day. See you tomorrow if you're around. Yep, so that pullback was just to rise up. Just kind of watching here. Another engulfing candle down there, 2 in a row usually is a good sign of that you could take it. That would have got me 10 quick points. But it looks like it's kind of bounced here again. Hey Karib, I know yesterday someone was having issues with our trader. What's the problem? What problem are you seeing? Yeah, there's a bullish engulfing off this red candle. I mean, that was stupid to say. You can't have a bullish engulfing off of a green candle. Hmm. What company are you with, Karib? Uh, Give me a second. I'll try logging into my Apex on our trader. Give me 1 minute. It's still trying to rise up here. Okay. Logging in. Let's see what happens. To our trader, that is. Yep. I get a login failed. Let me try once more. So that bullish engulfing would have worked. Nope. It's not letting me log in. It seems to be an issue. I'm not sure with Apex or with everybody. Career Battle contact Apex support and tell them that someone else is also having a problem. See if they know if there's a system-wide problem with their server or what the issue is. For me, it's just rejecting. It says login failed. Please contact administrator. Yeah, let me real quick. Let me make sure. Let me see if I can connect to them on NinjaTrader. Give me a second here. Yep, it's not working with me for well either. Oh nope, I just connected a NinjaTrader. I was able to connect, but it took longer than normal. So I'm thinking they're having problems. So again, I doubted the bullish engulfing, and again it bit me. Look at this. Now This one is the one I took. This one here and this one here would have been full wins. You're welcome, Carib. If you look at my last 6 setups, we could have got 5 wins and 1 loss. So we're staying green. Now we just need to get confidence to take more of the setups so I can be more green. I want to be as green as the Grinch. As green as Oscar the Grouch. Thank you, Matt. Another bullish engulfing. As we continue to rise up, that one went away. That one came back. That one went away. Came back. Okay, I'll stop. That's probably getting annoying. Took the long. Oh, struggling there. Don't like that. Hit the band. I didn't notice. I'm out. I don't like that setup, so I took a quick out. Looks like it's a good idea. Gave back. See, 177 minus 25, 67, 57, 52. So 152 now on the day. Took the second loss. Watch it come back, but that's okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's coming back. Got too jumpy there. When this all hit that band, I got too jumpy. Would not have stopped me out on with my normal stop. So let's see what it does. It's back up to my what was my entry point. So I just took a loss I didn't need to take because I was too jumpy. Now, why did I get so jumpy there? Because I hit that band and then it formed the red candle. It can often mean a further reversal down. As you can see, this is still trying to head up. My target would still be 15 here, but 15 feels like it's too big. It's into those bands. We'll see what it does. I probably should have set just a target right on that band. I've considered that. Oh, look at that. Darn it. Target. Man. I just took the trade and let it work. Look at these bullish engulfings. Every one of these would have worked. Even this little one here, which, that would be totally against my plan to take. But all these bullish engulfings work 15 points, 15 points, 15 points, 15 points, 15 points. What's 15 times 5? Where's Robin when I need her? 75 points. So we have about 20 minutes to go. Green Day. See if there's, I'm frustrated in the fact that I didn't take advantage of this day better. $150 for a full win, basically. 145 after commission, but let's do 150 because it's easier. So, right here I threw away 150, 300, 600, $900. No, I lied because I took that one. So $750 that I could have had in my pocket just trading my setup. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Starting Monday, I'll be trading the Ultra Bond on an ETF, Elite Trader Funding account. Their fast track. This is a 5-week trading the 5-minute chart mostly, and didn't give a lot of easy entries today, even though it was going straight down. Something a bullish goal. Let me look at a 1 minute. 1 minute, that would be a good one right there. That one would have worked. That one would not have worked. That one would have worked. That one would have kind of worked. We're doing some more studying of it over the weekend. Pushing up. Pushing up, pushing up. So after being, coming down almost all night and part of the morning, now we're just straight up. Straight up, now tell me. I'll be right back. Back. Pulling back. I said that already. I'm repeating myself. Market slowed down. Up, down, back up. So just getting these little bitty pullbacks and then right back up. Little bitty. Hear the train coming. Continuing to push up. 653. So let's look at our daily charts here. Still only about halfway up those. Well, for ES, it's only about halfway up the CPI candle. For NQ, it's about 2/3 of the way. I haven't looked at agriculture. Oh, well, agriculture went to all soybeans all the time. So, no, there, Bitcoin. Ooh, look at Bitcoin rising up, too. Everybody got so quiet. Very, very quiet. Wow, this nice rise. Beautiful. It, it happens, glitch, obviously. I mean, I had my 6 straight red days. Recovered pretty well since. Did you keep your losses small? Not horrible. Yep. It's understandable. Let's see, glitch. You know what you did wrong, so you know how to, or at least how, what to avoid next time. Good. Glad to hear that laughter. We have just a few minutes left. Remember, tomorrow, back here, same time, same bat channel. No stream Monday, though, for the holiday. Give myself an extra day to breathe. don't think there's any just UB traders. I know there's people that trade the UB. I'll be trading UB starting next week on that fast track from ETF. $41.36 on ES. Let's take a look. 41.36. Got up to 41.33. A little bit of a pullback here. Saying that name makes RJ twitch. So down to 12,645. About a 25-point drop here. Yep, that's exactly why I've been looking at it. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing an ETF fast track using just UB on a 5-minute chart. You're very welcome, Avi, and thanks for those kind words. I'm glad I'm able to help you. Oh wow, that's awesome, Avi. That is amazing. I've looked at 2 minute. I've looked at 3 minute. I've looked at 30-second charts. Because I looked at 30-second charts at one point because we just dipped and might be trying to come back up here. But sometimes it seems like it makes the move, like 10 seconds into the 1 minute candle, and you're there waiting, you're watching the candle continue to go up, go up, go up, go up, and it's like you want to jump in, but yet my strategy is to get in at the when the candle stops, and it's just like sometimes 1 minute can seem way too fast to make a decision, and sometimes in those last 45 seconds of a 1 minute candle can seem like torture. 5 seconds. Wow, that takes quick decision making. This was a trigger for me, and I didn't take it. I got kind of skittish toward the end of the day. Kind of want to finish the day green, I guess, which is kind of not. I don't want to say stupid, but I mean, obviously, you're not giving yourself a chance to make bigger profits. But we'll see where this goes. See if I should have gotten in. Oh yeah, look at that go now. This was a trigger. You can see it's gone. It went 10 points. Let's see if it continues. So I should have taken it. And that's been my, I'm glad I'm green, obviously, but my theme in the morning again today was I should have taken it. You can see all these purple lines. This is another $1,000, and they're just reached target. So happy that I'm green for a third straight day. Over the last 3 days now, it's about $900 in gains. The Blue Sky account is back to being in the positive overall after dipping really low. I had like $400 in drawdown left, and now back up above the starting balance. But obviously today could have been better. But there's tomorrow, and we'll be back tomorrow. Last day of the week. Probably will be a bit slower because there's no major news events, and a lot of people probably taking 4-day weekends. So I don't know. The algos get 4-day weekends too. I don't know. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me. After, yeah, I decided to stay with the channel either way. I just, I got overly down about some things, and I just tried to isolate. It wasn't a good idea. But yeah, we're staying with the channel. Have yourself a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Oh, thanks, Marty. I don't recognize your name. If I've forgotten you, I apologize. If you're new, welcome. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.